Welcome to GG Dynamics. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 expands on its status as one of the most popular small SUVs globally, with even more sophistication, technology, and fuel efficiency. Whether you're going on a weekend trip or traversing urban regions, the 2026 RAV4 is built to handle anything with confidence and simplicity. Performance and powertrain. The 2026 RAV4 offers a range of powertrain options to suit all drivers. The 2.5-liter dynamic force inline-4 in the standard gasoline variant offers strong and efficient performance. Hybrid and plug-in hybrid RAV4 Prime vehicles provide more horsepower and exceptional fuel efficiency. The Prime is ideal for daily travel due to its 302 horsepower and electric-only range. All versions come standard with a smooth shifting automatic transmission and the optional all-wheel drive AWD for improved grip and control in any weather. External design with LED projector headlights and a more aggressive front grille, the 2026 RAV4 is a sporty and aggressive car. New alloy wheel designs with clean body lines for improved aerodynamics and style. For a more modern athletic look, two-tone paint options are available. Toyota also offers the Adventure and TRD off-road trim levels for people who prefer a more rugged look and capability. Interior comfort. The interior of the RAV4 boasts a spacious, opulent cabin with premium materials and creative storage options. Power-adjustable front seats with heating and ventilation. Leather-trimmed seats and soft-touch materials. Dual-zone automatic climate control. Rear seats that fold flat to expand luggage space. Passengers have plenty of legroom, and the cargo space offers more than 69.8 cubic feet when the back seats are folded down. Technology and connectivity. There are many modern technical elements on the 2026 RAV4. Higher trim levels come with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, in addition to the standard 10.5-inch infotainment screen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. USB-C charging outlets and wireless phone chargers are available. JBL quality sound system security. All 2026 RAV4 models come equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which has the following features: lane tracing assistance, automatic high beams, lane departure alert with steering assistance, dynamic radar cruise control, pedestrian detection pre-collision system. Additional features including blind spot monitoring and a 360-degree video system are available on higher trim levels. The ultimate ruling. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 is one of the top choices in the small SUV industry. Its stylish design, fuel-efficient drivetrains, advanced safety systems, and versatile cabin make it a well-rounded package that fits both urban and adventurous lifestyles.